Everyone kept DMing me like, where the white toes at, sis?
You're there, baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night.
Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are doing another pedicure, and I told you guys in my DMs it was going down. Like, sis, where are the white toes? Why didn't you use white fingernail polish? What's going on? And I'm a girly girl at heart, so pink nail polish is everything to me. But I get it. I have another audience. So you guys want to see white toes? You got it. If you guys want to watch me give myself another pedicure using white nail polish, please keep watching. The first product that I'm going to drop into my bowl would have to be my shower fizzies, and these are only $1 at the Dollar Tree. This does come with a plastic seal. I'm going to turn the machine on, and also I'm going to put my feet in. I've already placed some soap in here just to have a little bit of bubbles, so let's get this party started. Enjoy this machine massaging your feet. It's so soothing, so relaxing. Sit back and read a book or take a little nap. And even if you took your feet out, there is a little massager right here as well that you can slide your foot back and forth on. So today I actually got a little too comfortable, and my feet have been sitting in here for about 15 minutes. Hopefully they don't look like prunes when I take them out. I'm just gonna grab some soap and put some on my hands. Moving to my other foot. So now that my feet are clean, I'm actually gonna run upstairs and I'm going to rinse off my feet. I'm going to go ahead and clip my toenails. Once I'm done clipping this side, I'm gonna go ahead and file my nails. Also, while I'm here, I'm gonna go ahead and buff the nail. Flip it over to the white side. Now that this foot is all done, let me move to my right side. Now that my toenails are all clipped, I'm going to shape them once again. Once they are filed to your desired shape, we're going to buff them. Once again, move to the white side. I do have my Hansen. This is the cuticle Rehab. I'm gonna place this on my cuticles. You guys already know I do not push my cuticles back. I'm telling y'all, that experience scared me. Doing the same to the other side. So I'm gonna take my super dry, I got this from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to paint our toenails with this clear coat first. Let's do the same with the other foot. And you know what? Prior to this, I actually had yellow nail polish on my feet, and I'm like, maybe that wasn't a good idea, Tasha. Get it together. The star of the show is gonna have to be the white nail polish. This is from Hansen Insta Dry. This brush does pick up a ton of product, so be careful. The first coat is done. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, white nail polish is a little bit harder to move around. Clean up any mistakes right away. Moving on to the second coat. grab my LA Colors. This is the Rapid Dry Nail Polish. On to my right side. Minutes has definitely passed, so I'm gonna grab this nail dryer. Now this is from Oxy Professional. You can find this at your local Marshalls, and I was so happy to find this because, like I said, it takes so long for your toenails or even just your fingernails to dry, so I kind of want to speed up the process. Now that we've given my toenails a pretty good amount of time to dry, I am going to move forward with adding my cuticle oil. Also, before I rub my cuticle oil in, I'm going to grab my Healthy Feet and I'm gonna place this all over my toes so I'm not dry. I do this every single night. I love this product. That is why the bottom of my feet don't crack, like why they look so good. It's because of this stuff. Warm up the product in your hands. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I want to thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to watch my videos. I appreciate the support. I don't think you guys understand. I can never thank you guys enough. Please do not forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and also share my videos. That definitely helps out my channel. Until my next video, you guys know I miss you when I'm not here. I love you guys and all the support that you show me. And as always, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Baby, we can do